Come join me in making this perfect caprese pizza for a wonderful night with the family. I'm AJ from Savory Thoughts. Let's go make this pizza. Now this is one delicious pizza and easy to make. What I like about it the most is the fact that all the ingredients are fresh. You know exactly what's in it. It's a lot healthier than going to the chain brand. While you are preparing your ingredients, such as your cocktail tomato, your basil leaves, and your mozzarella cheese, go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Just FYI, don't go get the shredded mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and get the block one and cut it yourself. Now, go ahead and grab an egg, separate the yolk from the white, and set it aside. Spread a little olive oil in a cast iron skillet. This will help the dough from sticking at the bottom of the skillet. Now as for the dough itself, if you're making a homemade dough, make sure that you let it rise only once, not twice, unlike when you're making bread. You can also get store-bought dough, but we do have a dough recipe on our website. Guess what? SavoryThoughts.com. Go check it out. Once you're ready, place the dough in the cast iron skillet and using a fork, poke some holes into it. Now grab the egg yolk and brush it around the edges of the dough. This is gonna give you that beautiful crisp golden color. Make sure you don't push it down on the dough as you are brushing it. Caprese pizza is actually the caprese salad just placed on top of a pizza, or should I say on top of a dough to make a pizza. So you need pesto, which you can get at any store, grocery store. Spread that on the bottom of the dough. Spread some cheese on top and then add your tomatoes. Now make sure to arrange the chunks of mozzarella cheese in between the tomatoes. And place it in the oven to bake. And when it's done, add a little bit of olive oil to the top, garnish it with the basil leaves, and for the secret ingredient, a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette, and enjoy. Don't forget to leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you. We would love to know if you've tried it and what else that you may have paired it with. Give us a like, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.